Okay, very appropriately, this is a song that James Taylor wrote when he was in rehab. So, what's that capo? Get that capo on here so I can make your video longer. All right. Just yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans you made put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. Can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? Gotta help me make a stand. Gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. Won't make it any other way. Well, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you. Been walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned toward the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and quarantine and pieces on the ground. Whoa, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time. I'd see you one more time again. Just a few things coming my way this time around. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain.
Outstanding.